I'm in the process of tidying up. I just went a whole heap of 50 zips, 20 centimeters each. They were 10 cents each, so I bought a bucket load. But I went to go put them away, realised that the container that I normally keep my zips in is kind of already full, and it's too small. So I thought, well, now's the time to actually get this container to match my other containers, because I love my other container storage system. So I thought I would bring you along and show you what my favourite storage system is for fabric, for zips, that sort of stuff. And hopefully you think it's an awesome idea too. Okay. Okay, so they're these clear ones. I love them because you can see what's in them. And they're big. And they stack so well. So, and let's see, this one has all my Tula Pink fabric scraps in them. So easy to see what's in it. This one has my wide zips in them, so like handbag zips and that sort of stuff. So I have a little label to, so I know what's in them, because the handbag zips are, you know, they're the wider zips, and check out the size of this zip. That's like a mega chunky zip. I don't know whatever I'm going to do with that, but that's in the wide zips. And I have this, which is fold over elastics, all the different colours. I went through fold over elastic stage because the shop, one of the shops was shutting down, and I went, oh, they're really pretty. So now I have like what, 1 million meters of it? I have no idea, but I can easily see what's in that because of the way that I've stacked it. So that's the fold over elastic one. Now I've got another one in the back of my cupboard, and it's got my Doctor Who fabrics in it. I'm trying to get enough to make a dress, and I want to get another one and have my Harry Potter fabrics in it with my scraps, because I want to make a patchwork skirt or a dress out of it. But these are so cool. So I buy these when they're on special. These are actually for you find them in the paper section or the scrapbooking section of your craft stores, because they are actually for those really big pieces of, you know, the pads, decorative pads. Like here's one with the label still on. I hate labels, I tend to take them off. So it stores 30 by 30 centimeter scrapbook papers. So the overall size of this, oh my god, I hit myself in the head, is 36.5 centimeters on the outside. And what's really handy is it tells you on the outside, because the outside dimensions are different to the inside dimensions. I hate it when they only give one measurement. So the outside, because you've got to remember you've got the back bits and all this sort of stuff here. That's 36 by 5, 37 by 5 and 8 centimeters deep. And on the inside, it's 30.5 centimeters one way and 33 centimeters that way and 7 centimeters high. So it fits a lot of stuff. So I'll link below where you can probably get them on Amazon. I buy these from Spotlight. That's the brand, what is it? Franchville. It's a Spotlight brand, the ones that I get, but I will try to find somewhere like on Amazon, something an equivalent. It's just that they're so good. They stack so well. And even if you bow them slightly, like this is bowed, they still stack really well. Have a little bit of wobble, but I'm not using it as a coffee table. So this is my secret to organisation. So I'm just going to put my zips in them, and then I know where all my zips are. But seriously, these were so cheap. 10 cents a zip. They didn't have white. Some are 18 centimeters, some are 20 centimeters. But now I'll be able to take these ones and I'll be able to add them in to this little pile here. Let me try if I can make this go higher so you can see, just in case you want to see me stack. I don't know. Yeah, like I said, these are so cool. And I can lean that against the window and take this one, and then I can use this for something else. I can just transfer all these over and it's all done, because I don't know what all these zips are for. I'm trying to use zips, but I have a whole stack this size, which are 12 centimeters, 5 inches. But I made a little project with these at Christmas time. I'll pop a link up here for you, which is really good for these, but otherwise they're a little bit too small. So we'll, I don't know what we'll do with those. And then I was going through this bag the other day, and apparently, oh, where is it? These ones are for pedal pouches. So obviously I was going to make myself a whole bunch of pedal pouches. They're metal zips. And what size are they? Was it pedal pouch by Noodlehead? Is that one? But they're all like metal zips, so you can't like trim them down or anything. But yeah, that's, I was obviously going to do a whole bunch. Maybe I should just have a day where I just make them all and have a bazillion pouches. I don't know. But I'm going to keep them in the Ziploc bag. I have trouser zips in the Ziploc bag. I have open-ended zips in the Ziploc bag. I mean, look how tiny this zip is. It's got really big. I mean, it's even smaller than the 5-inch. Oh no, hang on. It should go in that 5-inch pile. It's a bit bigger, but we'll just pop that down there. And let me guess. This is another nice one. I don't know. I think when I started sewing, I just used to go by zips, and then realised that you can't run the sewing machine over a metal zip because it will, you know, break the needle. It's really hard to trim. And then 22-inch zips, dress zips. Maybe I was going to make my dress off a dress, but it's empty. But yeah, now we have all my zips all together, and I shall keep them on top of my wide zips. Now I just keep these on top of my cupboard because I don't have much of a storage space, so they keep the dust out. So it's perfect. Okay, I can have the wide zips and maybe I'll just put a normal zip at the front so I can just tell without a glance that these are just zips. And I'll show you what I mean. Let me just turn that around. So when I'm looking at it, I can go, oh yeah, they're just zips. Whereas this says wide zips. So yeah, like I need to get a few more. They're about $20 each, but sometimes you can get them $15. It's expensive for storage, but it's solid and nothing's going to get into them. And I think it's a lot better than this because it doesn't, this is all like the storage and the top, I don't know. I always just had this, that's why I was using it. Maybe I can put my finished bags in there from another. Did you see the sewing videos I had for these ones? I made these from a template, and they're always trying to use up some of the zips. You know, I had a heart-shaped cookie cutter and I used them, so maybe I'll just keep them in there for the time being. Yeah, now I have this one extra, and the stickers come off so easily because I hate stickers. I hate stickers. But yeah, that's how I store them. So easy. Let me know in the comments if you have any really fantastic storage for craft supplies. Like, it's good enough for fabric. Like I said, I've got like a bunch of, one of them's got the Tula Pink fabrics in there. You can probably keep threads in there, but I tend to keep my threads in this little doodad that I made a while ago. I haven't got a YouTube clip on it, but I will. I'll see if I can link my blog tutorial, my blog post on it where I made this. But it just folds up. Sorry, did you see that? It just folds all up, and I find that really handy for keeping my threads in. I can see it. It's just super duper handy. I liked making it. It made me happy. Looking for cotton that makes me want to change the cotton, because you know it's just pretty. But yeah, that's what I have. This is my super hack for having a semi-tidy sewing space. So I hope you think these are a good thing too. See ya.